This is the hack of all hacks. Welcome back to my channel. I am about to share with you a really fun hack that does not take that much time or energy if you want your doors to look really cute in your house. So I am doing this today as an ad actually on Instagram, and it is for Michael's. But I really wanted to update the door in my upstairs in my bookshelf room and make it like spring and festive and fun colors. But I don't want it to be permanent. I want to be able to peel it off and change it out come fall. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and it's going to change your world. It changed my world. To start, you want to find some peel and stick wallpaper and paint it the color of your choice. I'm painting it the same green color as the door. Don't forget to get your before shot. I've forgotten before, so we're gonna do that now. Also, always wipe your lens. Life hacks as an influencer. Always watch it back too. So I painted it the color of the door. You can see. So once it's stuck on, you won't even know it's there. I'm currently reading A Court of Mist and Fury, and I'm not gonna lie, painting little cute flowers all over my doors reminds me so much of Feyre, and I don't know if I like that or not because I find Feyre to be sort of an annoying character, but there's things that I really love about her, one of them being how artistic she is, and also how much of like the kind of person that fends for themselves she is. She really does just take care of herself, and I love that about her. Anyway, I started by painting all of these little flowers around the edges, and then I added in a lot more details and hand-painted flowers. I also used a stencil for some of them, but I did not film it, I'm sorry. I love how magical it came out, and the best part is that I can just peel these off whenever I'm ready for the next design, and I'll make sure to show you when I do that. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe.